Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar Brutist. I'm just doing a quick test to make sure that the machine heats up. And I'm going to turn on the machine and then come back when it's fully heated. There's a time right here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so the light's turned off. And so that was for the the steam boiler is fully heated. And now the brew temperature will begin to rise. Alright, so yeah, now the machine's at temperature. So after replacing the pressure stat, not the pressure stat, the solid state relay, we have consistent heating in about 20 minutes. Alright, there you have it. Thank you for watching.